अरे अच्छा, ओ बड़ा अंग्रेज बन रहा है। वहाँ भी लगता था कि इंग्लिश में बात करो। अच्छा, इतनी इंग्लिश बोल रहा है।
Rajkumar speaks really well, doesn't he? But here's the thing, he wasn't always this fluent. In fact, he talks about how he would stay quiet during interviews because he didn't know the language.
Because LSD में if you see in a lot of interviews, I'm just sitting quietly, not speaking a word. फिर मुझे समझ आया कि ये लैंग्वेज तो आनी चाहिए।
So, how did he become so fluent? In this video, we look at 3 ways in which Rajkumar improved his English, and you can use these 3 ways to improve your speech. Spoiler alert, it all begins with listening.
कि लैंग्वेज कैसे आती है, आप सुनते हो। तो फिर मैंने लोगों को सुनना शुरू किया। सुन के बहुत सीखता था मैं सुन के कि अच्छा ये क्या, अच्छा ही के साथ डोंट नहीं आता, ही के साथ डजंट आता है, ओके ओके।
Listening sounds simple, right? In fact, it is the first step to start learning any language. Think of how you learned your mother tongue. Did you learn all the grammar rules? Did you learn all the vocabulary words? No. You listen to people around you speak in that language repeatedly and continuously. You learned all the words, you picked up all the words, and then you started using them in your speech naturally. So it is necessary to listen to English content if you want to become a fluent speaker. But the question is what to listen to. If you are a complete beginner and do not understand any English, you can watch Extra English. It's a show specially created for English beginners, and in this you will see very simple sentences and it will be very easy for you to understand and catch the language. If you enjoy celebrity content, then you can go ahead and watch Coffee with Karan, or there are so many different podcasts available for free of cost on YouTube. I link all these TV shows in the description box below. Tip number 2, speak every day.
बिकॉज कोई भी लैंग्वेज आपको बोलने से आती है, आपका एनवायरनमेंट आपको वो लैंग्वेज सिखाता है, और वो कभी था नहीं। फिर यहाँ पे आया तो समझ आया कि ये तो चाहिए। देन ऑफ कोर्स आई स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग, कॉन्वर्सिंग इन इंग्लिश विद पीपल, टूटी फूटी जैसे भी तोड़ मरोड़ के कि किसी को 2 लाइन इंग्लिश में जवाब दे दिया तो लगा कि हाँ सही बोला यार। अपने आप में भी कॉन्फिडेंस आता है आपको जितना आप बोलते हो।
Now I know you've already heard this tip millions of times, but hear me out. Speaking consistently every day not only builds your fluency but also improves and increases your confidence. Even if you speak in your tutti frutti imperfect English, it's okay. You are going to make mistakes, but it is necessary to find out your mistakes and get feedback on them. Now, how to do that? You can either hire a teacher who can give you feedback on your mistakes so that you can improve those areas, or you can talk to a friend who has a better English level and you feel comfortable around. If none of these work, you can also record your own voice and listen back to it. Trust me, guys, this works like magic. You will be able to find out your own grammar mistakes. You can also download free English speaking apps such as Stimula that give you feedback on your vocabulary, so it suggests better vocabulary words for the simple words that you use. It will also correct all your pronunciation mistakes and grammar errors. Not only this, it will also give you feedback on your fluency. So I think using these free English speaking apps is a great way of practicing English without spending any money. Tip number 3, letting go of fear.
वहाँ पे अगर मैं अपने दोस्तों में ज़्यादा इंग्लिश बोल दूँ, लगा अरे अच्छा, ओ बड़ा अंग्रेज बन रहा है। वहाँ जैसे वाला था कि दे लुक डाउन अपॉन यू कि अच्छा इतनी इंग्लिश बोल रहा है। इवन नाउ आई एम श्योर दे कांट स्लैप यू, बट दे माइट लुक डाउन अपॉन यू कि अरे क्या इसको इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती यार।
So what can you do to let go of this fear and become more confident? Set smaller goals. Nobody became fluent in one day. Start by saying simple, shorter sentences every day. For example, you can say, today I am going to say good morning to somebody confidently in English. Tomorrow I am going to say one simple sentence about how my day was at the end of the day. Another thing that you can do is look in the mirror and practice. This is a great activity to feel positive and to build your confidence. So this brings us to the end of our video. These are the 3 ways in which Rajkumar improved his English. Let's take a quick recap. Number 1, listening. It's important to surround yourself with English content if you want to become fluent. You can listen to podcasts and interviews. Number 2, start by speaking. Setting smaller goals is extremely important if you want to become fluent. Start by speaking 1 or 2 sentences in English. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. We have all been there. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe. Keep unscrewing English with me until next time.